All right, look at where we are. This is the Castle Estate, right here in Awoyaya. Wow, this is definition of affordable luxury. So as you can see, this area, this is a 3-bedroom, fully detached bungalow, all room and suite, and the compounds can contain about 3 or more cars in your compound, fully finished. So this is one of the bungalow. So let's look the inside. This is a visitor's restroom. This is like a visitor's lodge. So right before the living room. Wow, this is beautiful. This is living room. This is affordable luxury, just like I always says. So look at the settings. Look at the settings. So right here we have kitchen, very spacious, can contain whatever you want to use. All the house, kitchen. This is store, just right beside the kitchen. So and by the exit, this is exit to the backyard. So this is the backyard. People can play all around. This is really beautiful. So let's look what is inside the rooms. So right here, this is the first room. Wow, this is cool. All in suits. So by the right-hand side, this is master bedroom. Very massive. This is wardrobe right behind here. This is massive and in suit. So this is the third room. Very cool. This is beautiful. So this is dining right here.